Right, let's look at the next example. So where you have y equal to 3 over x minus 3. Y equal to 3 over x minus 3. So first thing what we do is put the bottom equal to 0. Is that right? Yeah, that's the first step we do. Put the denominator equal to 0. So you write x minus 3 equal to 0, therefore x equal to 3. So go to the number plane and x equal to 3 is cut it at 3 in here. So you draw a dotted line going down. So this is your x equal to 3. This is what you are going to write. And the second dotted line, which is go across, because there is no plus any number, so the number will be 0. So dotted line in here, going through, and then you write this is your y equal to 0. Of course, I need to put my x-axis, and this is my y-axis, and this is my 0 all the time. Next question you want looking for is the where does it cut the y-axis, isn't it? So cutting y-axis, so y intercepts, you put x equal to 0. So if you put x equal to 0, your y is equal to 3 over 0 minus 3, which will give you minus 1. So you know you cut it here at minus 1. So remember our basic curve, which is curving out on the dotted line. So you are going to curve out on this is your dotted line down here, across and down. So this is what your curve is going to be like. So across and down. And same with this one. Go very close to the red and very close to the green. Yeah? Are you good, Evan?
Oh, that's right.
Okay, so you go to, okay, so once you put this equal to 0, actually you are, what is the number when you solve it? When you have 5 minus x equal to 0.
Oh, 5.
Yeah.
Oh.
The other way. And because of the negative, that means it's go. Yeah. So here. This is your point. You cut through here, right? So it's go this way and go that way.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, because it's upside down. Okay, the next one is y equal to 1 on 2x minus 5. Okay, y equal to 1 on 2x minus 5. So step 1, put bottom equal to 0. So what are you going to get? 2x minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to?
5/2.
Good, 5/2. Bring the 5 over, divide the 2 down. So now I can start with my number plane straight away. 5/2 is 2.5. So x equal to 2.5 is maybe here. I would say you are 5 from 2. Don't we have to be very precise as long as it's not too much. And you write here x equal to x equal to 5 from 2. Right. Second step.
Y equals 0.
Yeah, because it's in plus 0, therefore y equal to 0. Dotted line across. Y equal to 0. Third part. Yes, intercepts. Put 0 into the x. So y intercept. So x equal to 0, your y is equal to 1 on minus 5. So 1 on minus 5 may be here. Minus 1 on 5. Now you can sketch it. Dotted, so you have a curve that go this way. And then the other side is this dotted, going that way.
Oh.
Yes, are you good? I bring my pen.
I don't know how you solve this.
This one. Oh, this one is different. That one is different.
That looks so
Okay, so now what I want to do is just put in a Divided again. So you have x, you have y is equal to 10 to the power x. So maybe I need you to bring out your calculator. So when x is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1,
It's to 0, right?
1, 2, and 3.
Times 0 minus 5. So
I want to fill it in. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Then I'll come back. Okay, what do you have? Are you alright? Okay. Minus 3, 2x minus 7. Okay, step 1, what do you do?
x.
Yeah, so you put denominator this part equal to 0. So you have 2x minus 7 equal to 0, x 2x equal to 7, x equal to 7 on 2. So that is your asymptote. The meaning of asymptote is where your curve shouldn't be touching it. You are getting very close to it, but you never touch it. When you get big, the number gets big. So x equal to 7 on 2, maybe here. Put a dotted line. And then put in y equal to 0, you can do that and find out the y-intercept. Okay, I forgot my pen again.
But it's negative 3 over 7. It'll be just 3 over 7, right?
What is that? Negative 3 over 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, negative 3 over negative 7, yes.
Yeah.
So this point is going to be really small.
Oh.
And then this point is going to be at 1. So getting bigger, bigger, bigger. Yeah, so negative 3 is here, negative 2 a bit bigger, negative a bit bigger. Then at 0 you go to 1. At 1 you already go to 10. So very fast.
Okay.
Yes, it's called exponential. It will go up like this, very fast. And this number is a 1. That's what you do.
Oh, is that it?
That's it.
Oh,
If you have y equal to 2 to the power x, also look like this, except it go up not that fast, it go more like this way. If you have to choose. The smaller the number, the slower it go up.
yeah.
Yeah, compared to y equal to 10 to the power x. Just the basic type again. The bigger the number, it go up super fast.
So if it's like y to the power like 100,
Yeah, it's
because like that.
no, it still goes to this
Because
point.
like
Yeah, so it
Okay.
go down very fast and go up super fast. Yes, it's more like on the under here,
0 is.
but then intersect in here and go up
So the
super fast.
okay, and for this,
Yes,
minus
you are
3
flipping.
over minus.
Negative upside, that means you flip this one.
so it'd be like
That's right.
and
This one,
Just
left to right.
so this would be like
Yes.
okay,
And this one is double flip.
Oh.
so it would be like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, makes sense.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Did you get the y-intercepts? Yeah.
Minus 3 minus 7.
Minus 3 minus 7, which is, oh, minus 3 minus 7 is positive.
Oh.
Yes, it's going to be 3 on 7. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, you got minus 3 minus 7, that's a good number. So it's going to be 3 on 7. So your y-intercept is going to be 3 on 7 in here. So, and you have this dotted line in here as well, which is your y equal to 0. Then you have to pass through this point and very close to the dotted line. So look at this point. Where is the dotted line? The dotted line is here. Is that right? So that means my curve have to go from, yeah, the other way. It have to come from here this time. Because the dotted line bounded it is here. So I need to go this way, and the other side is going to be going that way. Oh, this way? Not this one? That one. Yes. So, yeah. So when you are looking at this dotted line, that means you are looking at quadrant. So everyone look at here really carefully. So if I'm looking at this as a dotted line, that means I have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3 and 4. If your x is a negative x, that means you are going to sketch it on quadrant 2 and 4. If the x is a positive x, you see, look at this one, because I have a negative. That means if I times the negative to the x, it's going to be negative x. That's why my term is going to be those two. But by finding the y-intercept, you were able to tell which two quadrants you should be drawing. You never draw something like this side by side. Never. You never draw bottom with bottom, or you never draw these two sides. It's always diagonal. Okay? Right. Try the next one. Try the next one by yourself. Find the dotted line vertical asymptote, and find the horizontal asymptote. We can move your chair in a little. Just a little. You don't have to move that much.
Fall backwards.
Yes. Okay. So when you have these terms, y equal to x plus 1 squared, what will happen?
You use an x.
Yeah. Y equal to x plus 1. That means you move it to the
Yeah.
You do the same thing. So your curve supposed to go this way, right? So this point moves to the left, which is here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this whole curve shift. So we are going to have it going up this way. And what is the y-intercept? That means you put this equal to 0 again. You know it is 2. Yeah, so you have the most important point. This point is moved to the left. That means it's minus 1, 1. Isn't it? It's supposed to be here. Move to the left by 1. So that means you move this one to minus 1. And it still stay at the height of 1.
Okay, and
Yeah.
then this will just be
Move.
down.
Yes.
by 3.
Yes.
And
So
then,
when you move down, it's supposed to have an asymptote in here, except we never really sketch it when it's exponentials. But when you move down, I want you to indicate your asymptote at minus 3.
okay.
Yeah, and then you sketch your graph. Make sure you indicate where you intersect with
Is
the
it-
x,
is it-
y axis. Put x equal to 0, find the x, y
Wait.
intercepts.
Hold on.
All good? Okay,
Yes.
that one will be very different because 1 on 2 in x,
is already
2 minus 1. And
4.
then because you have an x,
Right.
that means you have an x. So it's
4
equal
minus
to
0
2 to
is
power
negative
minus x.
4.
Remember what happened to this
Four
one?
minus zero?
On the previous page?
To
Yeah,
right.
to right. Yes, that's what you do.
So
Yeah, change the index.
negative 4.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Never have it as fractions. Always change it to non-index.
You're
This
right,
one is
you're
right.
right.
You need to bring it up.
So what's
Yes.
negative 4 over
Okay.
4
Negative 4 over 4.
This.
Negative 4 over 4 is what? Negative 1.
When you how to guess what's 4 minus 0? Is it negative 4?
What happened to you, Jess? What happened here? So you have it, you try to find the intercepts, right?
Yeah.
So when x equal to 0, you have minus 4 on 4, which is minus 1. Is that right?
Yeah.
So you write out. If you find something, sometimes the little number can be quite confusing. So you have negative 4 on 4, which is going to be negative 1. Yeah, that's where your y-intercept is. Is that what you're asking? Negative 4 on 4? Yeah, it's going to be negative 1. Yeah. Then you're able to sketch the line. No, yes, Caitlin, that's right. Yeah, that's good.
Question G. So the intercept, which one do we find? Do we find the x-intercept? This is the line.
You will not have y-intercept. No, you don't have to find the x-intercept. Yes, if
Just like
check, find the x-intercept will be a good idea. Find it. Yeah. Is that all good? Okay. The next questions, we have a plus number now. That means we will have the dotted line across, the green one will change now.
To 5.
To 5, exactly. Good. So you are going to have y equal to 5 plus, what is that, 3 on x? Is that right?
1
One on
on
x.
1 on x, okay. 1 on x. Okay, first thing is the x first. Still come first, this one. So x equal to 0, I don't even have to solve it, which is a good thing. So, number plane, x equal to 0 is my dotted line. So when I have a dotted line on x equal to 0, that means I do not have y-intercept. No y-intercept, don't find the y-intercept, you never find it. And I have a number which is 5, that means I have y equal to 5, is your dotted line across. So we change it to 5 now.
Oh, I put it on the wrong line.
And of course have have a good habit right here, y equal to 5. And the dotted one is x equal to 0 for this one. And you have your axis, x, and this is your y.
Miss,
Yeah?
is y equals 5 on the bottom or the top?
That top is positive.
And then the next one, we do not have intercept, right? Y-intercept, not a good idea. Now you can find out any random number. So if I put x equal to, what's the easiest number for me to put for x? 1. I'm going to put 1. X equal to 1, your y equal to 6. So that means, let's write it out. X equal to 1,
Oh my god.
your y will equal to 5 plus 1, which is 6. So I'm going to plot that point. 1 and 6, maybe right in here. This is my point. So now do you think you can sketch the graph? It must pass through the blue point. So this is my dotted, it's here. So you pass through the dotted, the dot in there, and the other one is it passed through here. So now one more question for you to solve. How do you find out where it cut the x-axis? Now instead of finding y-intercept, can you find the x-intercept? Find x-intercept, that means you are putting y equal to 0. Okay, to find this point. This is your x-intercept. You put y equal to 0. If I do that, I put it into here. 0 equal to 5 plus 1 on x. Basic algebra solving, times every term by x. 0 times x is 0, 5 times x is 5x, and then this is a 1. Then you are going to have 5x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1/5. So this point in here is minus 1/5. That's how you find out the x-intercepts.
I don't know how you sketch this.
This one. Okay, so what the curve supposed to look like is this one, right? What you do is that you just move it down like 3. Can you sketch it?
So,
Yeah.
wait, why do you label it as a two?
Because this one, that means it's going to go very close to here. So that means there is actually the asymptote in here. Is that
Also,
remember?
it'll be like
Yes.
really close to you, but then close to that.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
right. You just move the whole curve down.
Oh, okay.
Because without the asymptote, that means when you move it down, it's very hard to judge. This point you know is 1, is go to minus 2, right? And then what about here? I'm not sure how far it should go. That's why I need to put the asymptote at minus 3. So I know this is my guidance.
But
Yeah.
you know what? How do you find the x-axis as well?
You can find out, but at the moment no, you don't have to. Yes, you will learn to how to find it out later. At the moment you can't. Y equal to minus 3 is not 3.
Oh.
Good. Now, let's find out the y-intercept. Put x equal to 0 into the equations. Yeah. And then chuck that in the and then minus 3. Put the x here. Yeah, and then this is what y equal to. Okay, put the term in the calculator and see what's the number you get out of it. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, find it out.
Huh?
Oh, you are in a, you need to clear that one. Okay, shift 1. Did one. Yeah. Okay.
How do you do this?
Okay, this one is few rules that we need to put in together.
I have more paper than you want.
No, that's okay. So if you have y equal to
I use this one yet?
x plus 4, can you sketch this?
Empty.
2 times.
Would just be like
This is not square, just x plus 4.
oh
Yes.
how do you
It's a linear.
oh this
Yes.
is like
Yeah, where is the y-intercept and x-intercept?
6.5.
x-intercept
Yes.
is -4.
Yes, x-intercept is -4 and y-intercept
Why
is
is it next to us next time?
Oh, 4.
yes. That's right.
It's still not
Draw it
bad.
out. Good. Okay, good. That's the first one. Okay, if I have y equal to x plus 4 and then x minus 3, can you sketch this?
What do you like? Lines?
And then this is a problem.
Steal a chair.
Remember the problem 1 below? So that means when you put y equal to, can you find the y in the x-intercept?
Oh
Yes.
x is
Yes, you're using your now root.
I'm going with
She's
girls.
migrating.
I'm a girl.
I'm migrating to talk to these people.
why is
Yeah.
-4?
Yes. Yeah, that's right. It's a problem.
Guys,
So
migration
go
is
like this.
amazing.
Okay, so can you sketch
How am
it?
I meant to do this?
Okay, how did you go?
How do
So,
you do it?
do you find out the, yeah, so this is your dotted line,
Can you see the
So you
right
must pass through this point and very close to here. So it have to be in there. Yes, that's right.
What's the
That's
relationship?
the third one.
X.
Y equals to x minus 3.
So y to
Oh, yeah.
I don't think so. Do we?
Do you need to find the
Yes.
x-intercept?
Yes.
Oh, ew.
Thank you for answering that. Okay.
Yeah, there's a bit more
What is the
sugar.
problem?
Yes, it is a problem
one is
because of the
Y?
square.
Why?
Why is the line, the vertical line?
So
But
you
then
have
the one
to
going
find the
down.
x-intercept, you put y equal to 0.
She
This
asked.
number equal to 0.
She asked which one is y.
Yeah. Y equal to 0. So you replace this as a 0. So you have to have 0 equal to.
Oh.
Yeah. Good.
You just draw it.
Yes, you just draw it.
Is x also 6?
Yeah. Good.
Oh.
Okay. Now, and next one it is x minus 4.
Remember how you just take my calculator?
Remember the kids
It's right
together?
here.
Yeah,
It's
Yes.
the same.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have it yet.
Yes, it is.
What is it? Do you have the number?
No.
It's just-
So that means the next step, what you can do is bring
I'm
this
seeing
one
that.
over to the other side. You pass
Why?
3
What
to
are
both
you
sides.
doing?
Yeah.
I'm being a
So
dumbass.
you're going to have 3 equal to
Times
1
x.
over x minus 2. Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, so you have it as, so far you have it as, what do you have, Caitlin, can you give me the step before? So you have, the first step is 0 equal to
Oh, 1 x minus 2
minus 3. Yeah, so the next step what I can do is I can plus 3 to both sides. Right, so I'm going to 0 plus 3 is going to be 3 equal to, that term doesn't change. Okay, whenever you're solving for equations, what you're going to do is you don't like the denominator, you make it messy. So what I can do is I can times both sides by x minus 2, times it by x minus 2. So when I do that, I can cross it out. And I left with 3 times that. So that means 3x minus 6 equal to 1. And I presume you can solve that. Yes, make x a subject, that is where your x-intercept is.
Look at that.
Oh, no.
Oh wait.
Keep it. Okay. Remember this one? What's this? This one look like?
It's like
Yeah, it's positive.
that.
Oh, no. You're thinking of.
Yeah, this is right, this is right.
You're
This is
thinking
the
of.
equation. Okay.
What's the difference?
If you can read that.
This
This
is.
is
Oh,
more
I forgot
like
to wear my glasses.
Oh, no. You're still thinking of this.
I left them in my back pocket.
Which one?
from this.
Yes.
I was busy thinking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Would be like
Bro, you got it wrong.
Yes.
That doesn't
I'm
work.
gonna
Okay.
shift to the.
You gotta actually figure it out.
It's here.
Oh,
So,
It's go from this one.
Yeah, that's right.
It's going up. That's right. That's right.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good. Yes. Coming back now.
Yeah, it's fine.
doesn't really care.
Yes, then you find the y-intercept. So when you have it as y equal to
Oh, I
minus,
did all the y.
x plus
I
3
still can't believe I got
squared.
that
What
hard.
will happen? Draw this one,
The what?
and then
The
I also
heart.
want you to draw
My latte
minus
art.
maybe x plus 5 cubed.
Okay.
Yes, try those two. So how did you go? Okay, good enough. Yep. Okay, try question I, or instead of question I might ask you to do question K.
Yes, not
Yeah, the mid two ask you to do as a homework.
instead of question
Question K.
I
Yeah.
might ask you to do question K. I.
Yeah, go to K. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, K, what is your dotted line
That line's
across?
actually in
Yeah.
the Java performance as well.
Really?
Yeah. That's such a good straight line.
X equals
X equal 2.
2. 2. Negative 2 over.
2 negative 5.
Negative, positive, not negative.
Huh?
Not negative. So you have 2 minus 5.
Oh wait.
Yes, 2 minus 5
Yeah.
x equal to 0, right? That means you have
2 over 5.
2 over 5 as your answer. Is that right?
Y equals to 4.
Yeah, y equal to 4. Put a dotted line across and go down.
Why does this still look so wonky?
Maybe you just can't draw.
Maybe. I can paint.
It's that different.
Do you want to see my paintings after the class?
Sure. Cats?
Hmm?
Cats?
No, I'm not doing painting at school.
Oh,
Yes, yes, good.
Oh,
Now,
I do it as
let's
pleasure.
do a summary.
pleasure.
So, when this one, that is to the power 1. This one to the power 1,
Huh?
to the power 1. So, you see, when it's to the power 1, this line here is where you shape it. You have a cut through.
Okay.
You see, power 1, I cut through it, power 1, I cut through it. When it is to the power 2, you don't cut through it, you bounce on it. You see, to the power 2, you bounce on it. When it's to the power 3, you twist on that point. You give it a twist, okay? Power 1, cut. Power 2, bounce. Power 3, give it a twist.
Okay.
Right, now we are going to put all this together. Right, and one more thing, if it is even, if this is not even, if this number is positive, you are going to start your pen in here. You see, you start here, you start here, you start here, you start here. But this one, when you expand, you are going to x squared. It's going to be minus x squared. You start on this side.
Okay.
Negative x cubed. You start here. Positive start that side, negative start that side.
Okay.
Now, if I have y equal to x plus 3 squared, x plus 1, and then x plus 4 to the power 3. If I want to sketch that, you can do it. So what you do is that you know the intercepts. It's going to be minus 3
0. Guys,
Minus
0
one.
is in my head.
and minus 4. Is that alright? Positive x squared. This one is just x. This one is
What are you
x
looking
cubed. They're all positive, isn't it? So I put my pen in here.
Minus 2.
Is that okay? So at 1 is 1, that means I cut through here. At 3 is a bounce. I need to bounce in here. And then I need to give it a twist in there.
Okay.
So cut through, bounce, and twist it. Yeah, that's your curve.
Okay.
Okay, that's the idea.
Okay.
Alright, so what you do is find out the intercept first, and then decide where are you going to start your pen. Then decide whether it's a bounce or a cut. So you need to tell yourself what it looks like first before you don't start it and then think, oh, I overshoot. Then you have to come back. Okay, right? Yeah, do some practice. Okay, how did you guys go on this one?
Okay, there.
Getting there. Yes, where's your y-intercepts?
I got 3 over 2.
3 over 2?
I'm
Do you
almost
have
done with
3
the
over
x.
2?
No,
No,
where
you
did the
didn't.
4 from?
No, you have 4 minus 3 over 2. What is 4 minus 3 over 2 equal to?
Oh crap. I forgot about the 4.
The y-intercept.
4 minus
You got that?
The y-intercept, you put x equal to 0.
5
okay.
over 2.
So you put x equal, oh you find x, no,
Okay.
you put on both
Oh, yeah.
sides. Okay, you need to put 0 in here. To find the y-intercept.
Is it
Okay,
5?
the total line are all good. That one is good, this one is good. This is the part.
Oh, what am I thinking?
Oh, oh, you are doing, what happened to your x?
Okay, okay, then
X
it's
equal
okay.
to-
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, right, what I need you to do is put x equal to 0 to find out the y-intercept. To find this point, you are putting this equal to 0. Is that what you did?
This one?
No, not this whole thing equal to 0, just x equal to 0.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you have x equal to 0, you are going to, this
Isn't it
term is
5
going
over
to be
2?
5 times 0 is 0, isn't it? So it's going to be gone.
How do you get
So
5
you
over
left with
2?
4 minus 3 over 2. That is
Oh,
going to be,
the top.
yeah, the x equal to 0. The x
No, that's for
on it.
y-intercept.
Yes.
I'm doing the
For
x-intercept.
this
Oh.
will be like
Cut,
that.
cut,
right?
cut. Yeah, make it smooth.
How do I know like how deep?
Oh, you do not know. It's just a rough curve that you are sketching.
Wait,
at
so
the
what's
moment.
negative?
Yeah.
So it will be like
Yeah,
Is there no negative?
Yeah.
a little
No quick turn, just a smooth curve.
just like that.
Smooth.
What's the
It needs to
y-intercept?
be like this. Okay.
5 over 2.
It
Here.
needs to be going smooth. No sharp one.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
just
yeah.
smooth. Yeah. That's a bit too sharp, okay?
Yeah.
I need to learn to be smooth. Yeah, that one is a smooth one.
Okay,
Yeah,
I got it,
yeah,
I
yeah,
got it,
yeah.
I got it.
Yes, yes, yes.
5
Okay.
over 2.
Oh no. Oh. Ugh.
Okay, good. What's this number going to give you? That will be 2.5.
Usually
Shush and teaches
Yeah, I
this.
think 2.5.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
don't want to do this question.
You can put a calculator. Yes.
Bro, why you copying me?
Why is it? Oh,
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh my god.
Yeah, which is somewhere in here. Yeah, right.
no.
That's the right point. And that's the right curve too. Yes. Except you don't have
Is
the
it
right point, just
negative?
that you have it as
Just
2.
negative
This is
left.
5 on 2. Yeah. Good.
Yes.
Then you have dot, dot, dot. Going down, and then the other one is going to go this side.
No,
So what's
no,
the number
no.
you have?
No, because you
Yeah,
move,
you
when you
put x
move this
equal to
over.
0. Yeah.
Because
You
if you move,
put it in the wrong one. You are trying to find the y in the x
Yeah.
intercept.
X intercept.
You can, because this one you will have y intercept, so we might want to find out the y intercept first. Y intercept, that means put x equal to 0. Oh, you already did. Oh, you are finding the y. Okay, good job. So you are going to 4 equal to 3 over this term. Yeah. And then the next thing we do, you times this one to that side, right? Yes, you're right. So when you times it by that, you are going to get
How
8.
about a negative?
Wait, what happened to the
oh,
negative?
that's because
So
when you,
you move this term to that side
Oh,
and keep this one on that, and then you swap it around.
oh,
Yes, yeah,
That's
that's
what I
swapping away. Okay, then you can times this one to the 4. Yes.
So it looks like this.
Yes. Yes, that is correct. Fun, right? Yeah. And now, if you want, yeah, the other curve will be on this side. If you need to find out the y and the x-intercept, that means you put y equal to 0. I think that's what you're trying to do just then. Yes, let's try it. So you have y 0 equal to 4 minus 3 over 2 minus 5x. Okay, move this term to that side. So this is negative. When you move it to the left, it becomes positive. Yeah. So you're going to have
that's a negative. Meaning you
Just
can
cross it
equal
out.
to 4.
yeah,
Yeah.
cross
And
it
then
out because
times
this side's
this to
negative.
that
That
side.
means you can sub it
Yeah.
over to make it
Mm.
positive.
That's right. Expand it.
Yeah. Math.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you want to minus 8 to that side, so become minus
So,
minus 20x. Then you can
That's
divide both sides by
fine.
minus 20. Yes,
Two.
over
And
minus
you
20
can get
on
that
both sides.
both?
Yeah. So that means 1 on 4. Yeah. And
There you go.
equal to so you know it cut the this number is a quarter. This is where what this number means. Where it cut the x-axis at the quarter.
Thank you.
Okay, and the other branch is going to be here, this side.
Is it
Yeah.
quarter smaller than
Yeah.
2?
For this, would it
Just
be
put it
something
in
like that?
on the other side.
Yes, good, and
Yeah.
bounce.
But
Yes.
But
And
this
then,
is cross there.
oh yes, you need to find out where it is. You always need to find out this point.
34
How do you find that
minutes.
point?
X has 0.
Yes, That's what you do. You need to
Oh,
put
and
x equals.
then I solve for this question.
Yeah,
Why?
to the power 4 is the same as 2 to the power 2.
Wait, we've done something
I
wrong.
was just bouncing.
Yes, any odd power have a twist. Any even power
I mean, I don't know.
is a
Okay.
bounce.
Okay.
Yeah, except one. One is a
Yes.
cut.
I wouldn't trust myself.
Yeah. Okay, so we done that.
It'll be
Uh,
fine.
yes.
Different answers.
Yes, just yours one is negative 5 on 2. 4. 5 on 2 is under. 5 on 2 is 2.5. So it should be here.
Oh.
5 on 2 is not above 4. It's
Oh.
under 4. 5 on 2 is 2.5.
Oh.
Oh. I'm kind of brain dead. We
Yeah.
don't talk about that, right?
That one on the bottom, it's not on the top.
Yes, we did not talk about that.
No, not at all.
Because you do not know why it's 5 on 2, huh?
Yeah, I don't know what
Okay.
and Q is. I'm very brain dead in that sense.
It's okay, we're all dead.
We're all brain dead.
Yeah, no, we're just all dead.
Okay, now if you look at the next question, which is look very different from what you have before.
Do I just?
Yeah, just do the rest. Yeah.
This
Okay, now have you done it? Yes, that number is a quarter. Yeah, right.
Huh?
No, yeah. Right. Oh, you need to closer.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay, now look at the next equation, which is looking like this. To find the vertical asymptote, still the same thing. You put, what do you put? Vertical asymptote? You put it,
X
Equals
equals
0.
yeah, equal to 0. Then you get x equal to?
negative 1.
Yes, number prime. X equal to negative 1. Let you sketch that one first. That's the first thing to do.
Wait. X equals to negative 1.
Okay, and if you look at this equation in here, it's very different from the one that you had before. The one you had before, look at the top, they never have x, is that it? You only have a number. You can have 2, you can have 3, 4, 5, or any number, never have x. So if you have x, to find the horizontal, what's the number in front of x? If there's nothing, means 1, there's a 1. So that means the horizontal asymptote is going to take this number. Y equal to 1 over 1, which is
1.
1. That's where you get that number from. This is your 1.
1.
Yep. So when you have an x on the top and x on the bottom, what I want you to do is pick the number in front of the x. Then to find the y-intercept for this question is going to be super easy. What you do is put x equal to 0. Do this, use your finger to cover it. And then what is your y going to equal to?
Negative 1 over
Negative
positive 1
which
equals
is-
negative 1.
Negative 1. So you know it cut it at negative 1, which is right in here. It cut this point, negative 1. Right? Is that okay with the y-intercept? To find the x-intercept is going to be easy too, because what you do is put y equal to 0. So you are going to have 0 equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. And what do we do next? You need to times this one to both sides, isn't it? 0 times x plus 1, you get 0.
X is equals.
X equal to 1. So it cut at 1 in here. So do you think you're able to sketch the graph? It cut through these two, and this is the dotted asymptote in here. So you're going to have it.
Oh, I was right. Haha.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is similar to this one. Turn over to the next page. Yeah. Let's do question N. The second question's on the left.
Good.
Yeah, let's do that one.
What if my calculator?
It's in my way.
Oh, wait a second. You shift to the it's not obvious where you shift it. Okay. So when you do that, I want to make it more obvious how you shift it, even though all your points are good. So you know you shift it to the right by a third. So I want to put in here. This is a third.
X
You
equals
shift
to
it
negative
by a
1.
half. So this one is your half, and this is your point.
Oh, I see.
Yes. Then you didn't see the half. Then you are going to have it going this way, and then going that way. So I want to see an obvious twist in this
Oh, I
one.
didn't see the half.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just,
And this one you did not see the. This one you shift it to the right by a half. So this is what the first thing I want you to do.
What?
This one you put the half in here.
Oh, so-
Wrong way around. Wrong way.
I
It's
want
not
my X
minus a
is a
half.
Y
You shift it to the wrong side. A half
Oopsies.
and 4.
It's like just
So
make
this
it,
is
just
a
make
point.
your X
Put a
axis
dot
a
in here.
bit shorter.
And
So
then
that is a negative
join.
1, by the way. Negative.
oh.
Yeah, you draw from this point where you shift.
It's a
Then you
negative
start from that point,
okay,
going up,
it's a negative one.
going down.
You know, from this to here, every time.
Yeah, I need to see where is the y-intercept. Put x equal to 0. You are going to have it as 3. So you cut it as 3.
Oh,
So you know it's total. This one.
Okay.
You want the paper? You want it again?
Yeah, I just read it.
Yes, yeah.
Pen down.
Can we draw it like focus?
Oh, yes, that would be good. That would be good. Then you wouldn't lose it.
Yeah.
So what is your y dotted line across? What is your horizontal? Yes, you have your vertical. 2. 2. Good, 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 good. So make sure you label here is a 2. This is a minus 1. Yeah.
I am
Yeah. Minus 1. Yeah. So,
Okay, that's exactly the same.
x equal to, oh, because this is a
Oh.
yes. You can copy.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. And then the vertical is looking at the number in front of the x. You have a 2 over 1. So y equal to 2. Yeah, you just pick the number in front of x. Yeah, that's what you do. Make sense? Yeah. So horizontal is at 2. Okay, so to find the y-intercept, put x equal to 0. Cover the x part. Use your finger to cover it. What do you left with the y?
1.
1. So it cut it at 1. So it cut the y-intercept at 1. That's y equal to 2. Yes. That is x equal to 1.
She's doing everything today.
It's okay, I did the same thing.
Wait, X is equal to 0 then.
Minus 1.
Why?
Yes. Okay.
Why is
So when x equal to 0, you cover it. My fat finger is going to cover everything. Going to cover like this.
Yeah.
So what do you get for the y? 1. So y1 is here.
Equals
So when
2
y equal to 0,
One.
you are going to have 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And then with x equal to 1, solve it out.
2.
Yes, you can put this
No,
in
we still
here.
need that.
Don't
Don't forget.
So we have 0 equal
Huh?
to
Wait,
yeah,
wait.
2x plus 1
Unconditional.
over
Wait,
x
what?
plus 1. So if you have x plus 1 times 0 give you 0. So you have 0 equal to 2x
The bottom?
plus 1. Then you
Yeah.
solve for
To
x.
0.
Okay, how did you go?
I am useless. I am delusional. I am a
This one
dumbass.
is 2. Because it's, you write y equal to 2.
Oh.
Yeah, this point is 2. This one is minus 1.
Oh.
Yeah, that's your 1. That's right. So you know your curve has to cut here, and then it has to go from dotted line to dotted line, isn't it? So it has to curve up this way. So to find the x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. Let's solve for it. So let's solve 0 equal to that, and how do you solve it from there? Okay, good. And then the other branch, where should it be? It must be on there. Yeah, just draw it down.
Hoi, get off your phone.
I'm not on my phone.
And then the next step. So have you find out the intercepts? The y? Yeah. Okay. What is the other branch? I need you to label
right, I
your
forgot.
x, the value. So what is this one? What is the number?
1.
2.
Wait, this one. Oh, that.
Dotted line.
Okay.
You need to
yeah.
label it.
Wait, y equals
Yeah. Yes. That's
Ah.
right. Yes. X equal to a half.
Slam my
So
head into
you
the
cut
wall.
it as negative a half. Yeah, you have a minus. Yep. So you cut it out here, which is negative a half. Right. Can you sketch the graph now? Negative a half. That's right. So you cut it. That's good. And the other branch has to be at. Where's the other branch? Yes, that's right. Okay, then go to question O. Yes, O.
I thought you were gonna like, oh, it's time's up. Because
Oh,
like,
yeah, you still
no,
got 2 minutes.
because like when you said oh, I was, you had that like, oh.
Yeah.
This gradual
You're still doing
Okay,
it.
hold.
We're
And
to
yeah,
keep hearing
yeah,
now.
it look alright to me. So that means you go up and then you go down. Yes.
The white is
Your
Yeah,
ass.
it's big, huge. It's going to be
Your
huge. You
ass.
see, this one you go up so fast, actually go down. Twist. Yeah, it's going to be big. Yes, because our scale we won't able to do it. So that's fine. I'm happy with that. As long as I see this twist in here.
Okay.
I need to see that. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, what am I up to? Oh.
And this one I can't see the twist though.
Why?
Yes, so you have a 5 which is in here, the 1 is here. So your twist should be starting
Yeah.
here. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, 3, okay, no, the Y is you take the number in front of the X. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, that's right. Y equals to 3. Yep. Yes, that is your dotted line across. Always remember. Don't mess it up.
Thank you for your kind donation.
You're welcome.
Look at this.
This one is flipping left to right, that's correct.
Huh?
Yeah.
And then
Oh,
fold it.
yes. Oh, this one, this one is up and down.
Oh.
Yes, this one is left and right. This one is up and down. This one is going to this one.
Wait, why is this?
This one. You flip this one.
Oh, it'll be like that.
Yes, 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 yes.
Oh.
Okay, do you have the number? 2 on. Okay, where does it cut the y-axis? Cut the y-axis. That means you put y equal to 0.
X.
Yes, you put x equal to 0. So what? 2 on minus 3. Good, good, good. So what do you get? Yes, yes, which is, you're right, which is 2 on 3. Yes, you're right, yes, because negative become positive. So you know your curve had to cut through here, so can you sketch the branch? Yeah. Yes, that's right, good. And the other branch has to be at, that's right, good. And if I want to find out this point, what do? You put 0. Yeah, 0 in there, yes. Okay, remember to find x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. To find y-intercept, you put x equal to 0. Now you can go home. Okay, finish up to this page. This is what you need to do.
Wait, up to
Yeah.
this one?
Up to this one. Yeah. Yes, that's right. Yes, 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 that's right.
Where's my
Remember
other,
the
where's my
shape.
last slipper?
Okay, you finish off
I
everything.
took it.
Yeah.
Just.
Do you have a slipper fetish?
And remember the way out the box step. And
Yeah, I do, I do.
We are going to do revision on everything.
Take this.
Yes.
This can you also like fold?
Ah, yeah.
Oh, I'm done.
Yes, you're done. You can go home.
Oh.
I need to migrate back.
Yeah.